Honor might just have blown Samsung out of the water. So currently at the time of recording, you can pick up an Honor Magic 5 Pro smartphone and an Honor tablet and a smartwatch and a pair of earbuds and a 6-month free screen protection service, all for £130 cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. And the Honor Magic 5 Pro might be the best smartphone package on the planet right now. So thanks to Honor, who have partnered with me for this video. If you use the code ASBYT80, you get a further £80 off this already insane value bundle, taking it to just £920 for all of this. But is it any good? Well, here comes a full overview of the phone, starting with camera, in which across multiple categories, we're going side by side with Samsung's great. Let's look at the whats and whys, and as always, all views are my own. Like and follow for more content like this. So we're starting with video here, and remember, throughout this test, all settings are on automatic, as I wanted to make this test for the average consumer, of which 95% would, in my experience, use the default automatic settings. Rear facing 4K 30 frames per second here, and both are doing a really good job at showcasing an authentic version of the scene. There really isn't much in it at all. The Magic 5 Pro does seem slightly brighter, so the grass and the flowers look slightly more vibrant, but you do therefore get less of the rich blue in the sky, as they're a touch more overexposed, and overall, the S23 Plus probably offers a slightly more natural image. Both are doing a great job with dynamic range and stabilization, although as we add a little bit more movement, like me going for a little jog, the Samsung phone does offer a slightly less jittery image. The same can be said for 4K 60. Very hard to tell them apart if you didn't know which was which, although the S23 Plus does have 8K video resolution also if you wanted that super sharp quality and or wanted to screenshot images from your videos. That added resolution will provide better details. If we flip to the front again, both have 4K, with Samsung having the advantage of 60 FPS as well. The Magic 5 Pro is a wider image. This will be a subjective as to which you prefer, but there's no denying you can fit more in the scene on the Honor phone, and I think that's often the point of a front camera, especially if you're vlogging. You want to kind of show off the scene you're in. I'm also really impressed with the Magic 5 Pro stabilization, which more than matches the S23 Plus, and the colors and dynamic range are also really pleasing on the eye. Warmer tones too, with the S23 Plus again probably being slightly more natural. Similar on front-facing photos as well, wider and slightly warmer on the Magic 5 Pro, but you do have the option of switching from the default single-person shot to a wider mode on the S23 Plus to bring it in alongside the Honor phone's dimensions. And having that double option is better than not, I guess. The background blur is more natural by default on the S23 Plus, but if you wanted to tone down that blur to a similar level on the Honor phone, you can, and the details on the face are excellent on both. Really impressive. But what about the back rigs? Well, here the Magic 5 Pro seems to outspec one of Samsung's greatest phones of the year, with a triple 50 megapixel lens array, including 3.5 times optical zoom compared to the 50, 10 and 12 megapixel array with just 3 times optical zoom on the S23 Plus. This means that more details can be recorded on the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses on the Magic 5 Pro, so if you wanted to crop in or blow up those shots, you can. They would, in theory, be just that little bit crisper on the Honor device. And on top of that, zoom shots can be that ever so slightly sharper, anywhere over 3x, as Samsung is digitally and not physically compensating anywhere after that. And Honor will let you go up to 100 times total zoom as well, compared to just 30 on the Samsung. And this can be seen in practice too. The S23 Plus has a slightly wider shot at 1x, and as we zoom in, you start to see the touch sharper images from the Honor handset. And remember, it goes through to that 100 times. Still incredibly fun to play around with. Again, we have warmer tones on the Magic 5 Pro on the main lens, but interestingly, this switches when you're using the ultra-wide, which appears wider this time than on the S23 Plus. 122 degrees to the 120, which puts more in the shot, possibly personal preference, and the HDR is again insanely good on both, with possibly the Magic 5 Pro picking out slightly more details in some of those shadows. But what about serious shadows? Well, here are the two side by side in low light. In some instances, the Magic 5 Pro looks like it's doing a slightly better job, but in others, it's the roles reverse. I think this is very much of a muchness and a lot harder to tell them apart. The S23 Plus does appear to have slightly sharper details on that front camera. It also seemed to deal better with the lighting in this daylight portrait shot, with the more natural background blur separation from Honor in this tricky scene, although the 3x option on the S23 Plus can look super dynamic compared to the max 2x on the Magic 5 Pro. And while testing difficult scenes, shooting directly into the sun is always a good harsh test of the camera's dynamic range, and both more than hold their own, with the S23 Plus again just maybe slightly superior on this shot, but the Honor Magic 5 Pro does have a few more sneaky tricks up its sleeve. Number 1, Millisecond Falcon Capture. With the Magic 5 Pro, Honor have optimized the speed of the entire imaging process, from the startup to the focus, the shutter reaction, and imaging speeds. They've all been increased, including a 245% jump in those focusing speeds, and this can really be felt. I tested it on Bonnie here, and the ability to capture really sharp focus on moving subjects is pretty exceptional at times, and you can tell the difference between the two phones. Sometimes you only get that one split second to capture a lifelong memory from a fast-paced moment in time, and this gives you every chance to not miss your shot. Sounds a little bit Eminem that, but we'll go with it. But it doesn't just stop there. You can also capture high-action, fast-paced shots hands-free using the AI motion sensing feature. And this is such a cool thing, especially for those who like to share sports or dance photos, etc. of themselves on social media and don't have someone on hand to capture those moments for you. You now have your very own camera person. But what about the rest of the phone? Well, for starters, as I said on my Magic 4 Pro review, the dual side punch hole camera cutout isn't my personal favourite implementation, but outside of that, the display is stunning. OLED, 120Hz, 1800 nits peak brightness, just everything we've come to expect from a top 2023 premium flagship. But you also have a whole host of eye comfort features to give yourself the best possible chance of minimum eye strain. And the build quality here feels elite. It's weighty without feeling like a heavy beast, but the internals sure are. Industry best Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, 12GB of RAM, 512 storage, matches all the top Android flagships. Superb for gaming, feels incredibly smooth on the scroll, like a waterfall with those curved edges, but the battery, in my experience, is quite possibly the best I've ever tested on a smartphone, outside of possibly some of those chonky 6,000 plus milliamp hour battery phones. The 5100 mAh in here may not seem groundbreaking because it's not. It's again in line with a lot of the top flagships. Most are around the 5,000 mark now. But the optimization that Honor do in conjunction with that, using their MagicOS 7.1 software over Android 13, is nothing short of magical. Like, I'm talking straight wizardry. I'm able to get 9-10 hours of screen on time, which is remarkable. For the current price, if you're looking for a top flagship phone in 2023, then there is no question the Honor Magic 5 Pro has to be on your list. It's right up there. I will leave all the information for the Honor Magic 5 Pro in the video description below as well, so if you're interested, you can go through and check it out and possibly pick up that great deal. Remember, ASBYT 80 in the checkout. I hope that gives you the information you were looking for if you're interested in the Magic 5 Pro. Follow my other social medias for short form content on all of this as well: Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all ASBYT official. Like and share if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Subscribe if you enjoy this sort of content and want to see more from me. My name is Adam. You've been the best as always. I love you, leave you. I'll see you in the next one. It's ASBYT. Peace out.